Hi, welcome to another tutorial. This is about ArcoLinux, and all the information of ArcoLinux is here in phase 5 to check out our learning phases. So at some point in time, maybe you say, I'll go the terminal way, the Arch way, right? So I've made a video about phase 1 BIOS, and we followed all these steps, so meaning 5, 6, 7, and what I've done is a clone. I've created a clone until here. So I've enabled Icewm service, but there's nothing behind it. There is no desktop environment yet, which gives me the ease and the comfort to just do this. Just made a video about ArcoLinux UKUI. I just do this clone. This is a complete ArcoLinux system, operating system, right? But no desktop. So I could call it XFC, I could call it Plasma, I could call it anything. The only thing that I need to do afterwards is sudo pacman -s. XFC4 goodies. Done. I have a desktop. Now, we are making videos for one reason. We have 19 desktops. That's awesome, right? And the ones that are missing now, we have Spectre WM, JWM, but not in phase 5, so in the ArcoLinux layout. I just made the new one for UKUI, which will be there if I just reboot, well, refresh here. You'll see that there is already an UKUI in there. Let's take another look at the other one that we're missing was, let me check it out again, because JWM, Eric, you do have it already. I thought, hey, that's the one that's missing, but Spectre WM is certainly missing. If I see it correctly, Icewm, that's the one I wanted to do first. All right, Icewm it is. So it's super simple. Make sure you have all this safely stored away, and then you do a clone. So I get a clone of a basic ArcoLinux system without a desktop. All right, booting up, and I think, yeah, it's the correct screen. That's cool. So everything is there, but the desktop, Xorg, Icewm. So I do get a Icewm. I can't do anything there. So I go for, check your keyboard, right control, keep pressing it in, F2 or F3, F4, etc. And then you log in, right? You say, this is me. And now I'm gonna say, well, what should I say, right? Sudo pacman something, -s probably, install, but then Control F. Then it's the wiki. There is no ArcoLinux, right? ArcoLinux wiki, Icewm, ArchWiki. You read, you need to do Icewm. There is something else that's development. We're not gonna dare that. Icewm, fine. You can run it, session. We don't need sessions. We have Icewm. There is no X in it necessary. And then configuration, we need to copy paste things over. But let's try out Icewm. We know what to do. We've moved it to the second screen. We can have a look at it later. But basically, oh, I need to do Icewm. What will happen, right? It's nothing, 9 megabyte. Can you imagine you have a desktop when you install 9 megabyte, right? Crazy. Let's boot up. See what we get, if we need configs or something. That's mostly important when you're working on tiling window manager. You need something, right? Is there something behind it? Yes, check. I always take session. I suggest you do the same. Eric. Aha. Oh my God. What is this? Well, this is Icewm. And for me, the video ends here. This is it. Now, this is the what was being given by ArcoLinux, and the rest, hey guys, that's up to you. You figure out how to develop or to change the preferences and the themes. That's okay. Just click, right? The themes, and have fun with your system. All right. Cheers.